Friend Rayner, you now bear witness to the truth. There is a malevolent presence within the void that seeks to destroy everything we hold dear. Could this fallen one be Azel Naga? After so long, could the gods themselves seek our destruction? And Kerrigan, I can hardly believe the wretched Queen of Blades will prevent the destruction of all that we know. Rayner, you may soon hold Kerrigan's fate in your hands. I know only that she must live. Be wary, old friend. The hounds of the void are on the hunt.
Damn, brother. You look like you could use a drink.
I saw the last vision Zeratul put into the crystal. It was a look into the future. Final battle against the hybrid. Armageddon. Somehow, Kerrigan's the key to preventing it.
Who knows how the wheel turns? Cycles upon cycles. This much I know. Those that see the future best take heed. It's both a gift and a curse.
But is it cast in stone? That's what I need to know.
Who knows? I've heard you say we are who we choose to be. If that be true, the future cannot be fixed.
Hankering for some down-home cooking out there in the space lanes? Come on down to Bubba's Gas and Grub. We got 2 for Tuesdays, featuring barbecue Muta wings. Also, free plasma charge with each fill-up. Bubba's Gas and Grub. Your space trucker home away from home.
Oh, what the hell, cowboy? You look like crap. You been thinking about that girl again?
Kinda. I just got some bad news about what might happen if we can't save her.
No use worrying about what might happen, if you ask me. You want me to help, you just let me know.
You look shaken, sir. What's wrong?
Zeratul called it a vision of the future. It was the end times, Matt. Armageddon. More Protoss than we ever knew existed. But there still weren't enough to stop the hybrid.
But what about Kerrigan? Wasn't she supposed to stop them?
In this timeline, she was dead. Killed by us. That's what Zeratul's been trying to tell us all along. She has to live, or we're all doomed.
New Folsom is ripe for the taking, man. Every voice that was ever raised against Minsk is pinned up inside those walls. We let all them prisoners loose, and he'll never know what hit him. Just let me know when you're ready to pull the trigger.
Where's Tosh? I thought he'd be here by now.
He already left the ship. I thought you... Sir, we have an incoming transmission. It's highly encrypted.
Patch it through.
Well, well. The infamous Jim Rayner. My name is Nova. We should talk.
Now what would one of Mink's pet ghosts have to say to me?
Tosh is lying to you.
Get Tosh on comms. I'm sure he's listening in anyway, encrypted or not.
We Spectres be the future. You just couldn't handle it, little girl.
Every ghost that became a Spectre has gone on a psychotic killing spree. The ones I've captured are held in New Folsom.
Don't listen to her, brother. Help me bust these specters from New Folsom, and we'll bring down Minx together.
Tosh wants to reactivate his Spectre buddies, using the substances you helped him collect. New Folsom is full of psychopathic killers. Do you really want to release them into the galaxy?
I be helping you against Minx, and my people will too. She won't even join you.
He's a psychotic time bomb. He'll be on your side, right up until he puts a knife in your back.
This be the moment of truth. Make your choice.
You should have told me what you were really planning, Tosh. But I'll take your word over Dominion assassins any day. We've come this far together. May as well see it through.
You've made a poor choice, Mr. Rayner.
I knew I could count on you, brother. Now let's go and bust open New Folsom. Uploading New Folsom data now. Feast your eyes on this, brother.
They're locked down tight. Nova must have tipped them off. We're gonna need an army to break into that place now.
Even an army couldn't get you in there. But one man, one Spectre in the right place, can find a way in.
Then our progress is all up to you, Tosh. I'll push my boys as hard as I can, but they're gonna need your help to gain ground.
Sure, you sit back this time. I'll take the lead and clear the way. Just keep sending troops to keep the pressure on, and I'll do the rest.
There are 2 cell blocks containing military prisoners outside the main compound. If we break those open, we could probably count on help from the inmates.
What else?
There's a Dominion base right by the main prison entrance. Take that out and the guards will retreat. The prisoners can handle it from there.
All right, Tosh. You ready for this?
I've been waiting a long time for this. I'm ready. I do what I wanna do. With my cloaking abilities, I can take out all these guards. They'll never see me. I can use a psionic explosion to take out groups of Marines. A little trick I call Mind Blast. That turret across the bridge. It can see me and alert its allies if I get too close, even with my stealth.
Hang in there, Tosh. My boys are moving in to back you up.
Remember, just keep sending in troops, and I'll do the rest. Let's just see about that. I'll be... Let's do this. I do what I wanna do. I really... Let's do this. yes. Damn straight. When I need energy, I can use consumption to get more. I just steal a little life from an ally. The more life they have, the more energy. It don't hurt much. I do.
Good work, Tosh. We're pushing on toward the front line.
Damn straight. Let's just... Let's do this.
Our allies are being attacked.
I do what I wanna do. Yes, maybe no.
Our allies are being attacked.
Tosh, you're nearing the first military cell block now. Releasing the prisoners might buy us some allies.
Let's just see.
Our allies are being attacked.
Lead us slow. Let's do this. Damn straight. Maybe yes, maybe no. I do what I wanna do.
Our allies are being attacked.
Nice work, Tosh. Freeing those prisoners will really help us out.
Damn straight. Maybe yes, maybe no. I do what I wanna do. Let's do this. Let's do this. Street. Irie. Maybe yes, maybe no. Let's do this. Do it real quiet. Maybe this. Damn straight. Let's do this. Let's just see about that. Aye. Let's just see. I do what I want to do. Damn straight. Bad Irie. Let's do this. I do what I want to do. Let's just see about that. Damn.
Our allies are being attacked.
Let's do this. Damn straight.
Our allies are being attacked.
Let's do this.
We're rolling now. Keep them busy while we establish our forward position.
You're close to the second military cell block, Tosh. Feel like making some new friends?
Don't you worry about us, Tosh. We'll keep them busy while you free the prisoners.
I do.
Tosh, we got a nuke ready for launch. Paint a target. Just don't call the strike in too close.
Damn straight. I do what I want to do. It's just let's do this. Damn straight. I do what I want to do. Let's just see about that.
Our allies are being attacked.
Never say die. Yes, maybe no.
Our allies are being attacked. Not enough energy.
Yes, maybe no. I do what I want to do. Damn straight.
Our allies are being attacked.
I do what I want to do.
Now those boys are free, we can bust this place wide open. Great job, Tosh.
Close to the second military cell block, Tosh. Feel like making some new friends?
Don't you worry about us, Tosh. We'll keep them busy while you free the prisoners. Tosh, we got a nuke ready for launch. Aim a target. Just don't call the strike in too close.
Our allies are being attacked.
Maybe yes. I do what I want to do. Let's do this. Damn straight. Extinguish. Let's just see about that. What I wanna do. Let's just see about that. Let's do this. Damn straight. Let's just see.
Our allies are being attacked.
Straight. Let's do this. Let's just see about that. Maybe yes, maybe no.
Our allies are being attacked.
I do what I wanna do.
Now those boys are free, we can bust this place wide open. Great job, Tosh.
Medic!
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies are being attacked.
What I want is... Let's just see about that. Yes.
Not enough energy.
Maybe no.
You just unleashed a nightmare on all of us, Rayner. Heaven help you now.
And the walls come tumbling down. Be free, my brothers and sisters. Your new life awaits.